In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to italicize text on Canva mobile. So if you have an entire paragraph of text or a few words in a text box, you can quickly italicize them by selecting that text box, coming down here and finding Format, and inside of Format, you can press this Italicize button. So that will italicize everything in that text box. But if you just want a certain word or phrase selected to be italicized, what we need to do is actually select or highlight the word or phrase. So maybe I want communication to be italicized. I'm going to click in here so that I can actually edit this text. Now from here, you're going to want to use your phone to highlight a word. And for me, I have a keyboard connected, so I can easily just highlight like this. But with your phone, it might be like a double click. It might be like clicking and then dragging these handles like on iPhone, something like that. And then above your keyboard that pops up at the bottom, you'll see this new row in the new version of Canva, which most people should have now. And you can actually just click Italicize right here. And so that will italicize that one word. It didn't because I have this weird Bluetooth keyboard thing connected. So actually for me, I need to press a shortcut on the Bluetooth keyboard, which would be Command or Control I. So when I press that, it's the same thing as clicking that button down there. My recording process doesn't allow me to click it for some reason, but for you, you'll be able to click it real easy. But that's how you can just italicize that one single word inside of an entire text box. So you can italicize all the words or just one word or phrase or whatever you want highlighted individually here on Canva Mobile.